Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a word that's all about competition and victory, championship. So, what exactly does championship mean? Well, it's a noun, and it refers to a competition to decide the best, especially in a sport or game. Think of the World Cup, the Super Bowl, or even a local chess tournament. All of these are examples of a championship. It's the ultimate contest, the final showdown where the champion is crowned. Now, let's explore some words that share a similar meaning to championship. We can consider tournament as a synonym. For example, the tennis tournament was very competitive this year. Another synonym is competition. You could say, she entered the national spelling competition. And how about finals? As in, the basketball finals were a thrilling game. Title can also function as a synonym in some contexts. He fought hard to win the boxing title. Another close synonym would be contest, such as in, the annual baking contest was a great success. Think of these words as different shades of the same idea. They all involve a struggle for supremacy, a striving to be the best. Now, what about words that mean the opposite of championship? This is where it gets interesting, as there isn't one perfect antonym. However, we can consider words related to losing or failing. One option is defeat. For instance, the team suffered a crushing defeat in the semifinals. Another possibility is loss. For example, the unexpected loss eliminated them from the competition. Elimination itself can also suggest the opposite of winning a championship. Their elimination from the championship came as a shock. We could also consider the term failure, as in, their attempt to qualify for the championship ended in failure. Finally, withdrawal can be considered an antonym when it means the removal of a participant from the championship. For example, the player's withdrawal due to injury was unfortunate. So, while these aren't direct opposites, they represent the scenarios where someone doesn't win or even gets knocked out of the championship process. How can we use the word championship in everyday life? Well, imagine you're talking about your favorite sports team. You could say, they're aiming for the championship this year. Or maybe you're discussing a friendly competition with your friends. You could say, we're having a championship poker night this weekend. It can even be used more informally, like, she's a championship baker. Her cakes are amazing. You see, championship can be applied to anything where someone is striving to be the best. Let's look at some more examples of championship in sentences and phrases. The city is buzzing with excitement ahead of the championship game. Winning the championship was a dream come true for the athlete. The team celebrated their championship victory with a parade. She holds the national championship record in swimming. Qualifying for the championship requires dedication and hard work. He is a championship-winning coach. They were the championship contenders. She is going to the championship ceremony at 7 p.m. He is a member of the championship team. They achieved the championship status. He won the championship trophy. The championship is awarded every year. The company won the championship award for technological advances. There were many athletes during the championship season. The team's aim is to become the championship holders. To recap, championship is a noun that means a competition to decide the best, especially in a sport or game. We explored synonyms like tournament, competition, and finals. We also discussed words related to losing as antonyms, such as defeat, loss, and elimination. Remember, it's a word you can use in many situations, from sports to baking, to describe the ultimate contest. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English with us. Now, for your homework, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word championship and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.
Goodbye.